Two-factor authentication not working on EquityMultiple App Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the EquityMultiple app, you're not alone and the fix is usually fast. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's a system outage, but it's almost always a simple device or settings issue. Start with your phone's time settings. Go into your settings and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Two-factor authentication codes depend on precise timing between your device and EquityMultiple servers, so even a small mismatch can cause errors. Next, update your EquityMultiple app. Outdated versions can break the secure connection needed for two-factor verification. Open your App Store, search for EquityMultiple, and install any updates. Then restart the app. If you use an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and select Sync Time for codes. This feature ensures your code generator and EquityMultiple system are perfectly aligned. If your code is sent via SMS but doesn't arrive, turn off your phone and switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Some networks or apps filter automated messages. If you've changed phones, deleted your authenticator, or reset your device recently, tap Can't Access Two-Factor Authentication on the login page. EquityMultiple support will verify your identity and help you re-enable for securely. Still not working? Try uninstalling and reinstalling the EquityMultiple app. This clears cached data that can interfere with authentication. Once your time, app, and connection are synced, two-factor authentication should start working perfectly again. It might take a few minutes to troubleshoot, but it's worth it. That extra verification step is your first line of defense against unauthorized access, keeping your investments and personal data safe every time you log in.